Spending a few $100s preparing your home can make you thousands more at the closing table. It sounds simple, but the strategy is often missed. Most sellers end up spending their budget in the wrong places. They focus on major kitchen remodels or expensive flooring upgrades before they've mastered the basics. They overlook the subtle details that actually drive how a buyer responds emotionally to a space. It's those details that build trust and perceived value. If you want more strategic guidance like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along. We're breaking down the logic behind the listing. In the Dallas-Fort Worth area, our team at Map Design Solutions helps sellers and agents handle this entire preparation process from start to finish. Now let's walk through the 10 specific things that actually make a massive difference in your final sale price. Let's head inside. Buyers are not walking into your home calculating the value of your upgrades line by line or square foot by square foot. That's for the appraisal. During the showing, they're reacting to how the home feels. It's an emotional response shaped by presentation, consistency, and overall condition. This is exactly where many sellers overspend on the wrong things, while completely overlooking the details that actually influence a buyer's perception. Item number 1, curb appeal. It's the first impression and the only one that happens before they even park the car. You have seconds to win them over. Clean up the landscaping. Fresh mulch, trimmed hedges, and a clear path to the door signal that the home has been cared for from the outside in. Item 2, the entryway experience. Refresh the front door area. It's where buyers stand for a full minute while their agent opens the lockbox. A clean door and an elegant eucalyptus wreath can make the home feel more inviting and intentional. These small cues build immediate confidence. Item 3, lighting consistency. Nothing kills a home's mood faster than mismatched light bulb temperatures. It feels chaotic and unfinished. Make sure every bulb is the same temperature, preferably a warm, soft white. This creates a cohesive, high-end feel throughout every room. Item 4, maximize natural light. Light is the ultimate space expander. Open every blind and remove heavy, dark window coverings that block the sun. A bright home feels larger, cleaner, and more positive. Buyers are drawn to light, so make sure your home is practically glowing for every showing. Item 5, high-impact cleaning. If a buyer sees dust on a vent or a ceiling fan, they wonder what else has been neglected in the home's maintenance. Look up. Dust your vents, your ceiling fans, and your ledges. It's one of the highest return activities you can do for the cost of a microfiber cloth. Item 6, window clarity. Dirty windows dull the natural light we just talked about. They make a home feel older and less cared for than it really is. Clean your windows inside and out. It's a detail that many miss, but it instantly elevates the entire property's brightness and appeal. Item 7, kitchen and bathroom detailing. Focus on the grout. Buyers equate clean grout with a hygienic, well-maintained home. It's that simple. Refresh the caulk where there's buildup or discoloration. These tiny updates prevent a used feel and make the space feel much newer. Item 8, refresh your paint. Scuffs and marks on walls are visual static. Focus on entryways and main living areas to provide a clean canvas. Don't forget the baseboards and trim. When these lines are clean and consistent, the entire home feels more finished and professionally prepared. Item 9, hardware updates. Dated cabinet knobs or old light fixtures can make a room feel stuck in the past, regardless of how nice the rest is. Swapping these out is a quick, inexpensive way to modernize a kitchen or bathroom. It's jewelry for your home, and it catches the eye. Finally, item 10, strategic decluttering. Clutter eats equity. It makes spaces feel smaller and distracts buyers from the actual architecture. A simplified, depersonalized space allows buyers to picture their own lives in the home. You want them thinking about their future, not your past. When you combine these 10 steps, you're not just cleaning, you're strategically positioning your property to compete at the highest level. These aren't expensive renovations, but they are high-impact investments of your time and effort that pay off significantly at the closing table. So before you commit to those major, high-cost renovations, take a step back and look at your home through the eyes of a potential buyer. Focus on the details that influence how they experience the space. Perception is what drives interest, and interest is what ultimately drives offers. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and want professional help getting your home market ready, our team at Map Design Solutions is here. We handle the entire planning, coordination, and execution process so you can focus on your next move without the stress of overspending. In our next video, we're going to talk about the truth about staging, when it truly matters and when it might not be necessary for your sale. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy listing!